What is Amazon Business? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and I will take you to the quick guide through about what is Amazon Business. Amazon Business is a procurement solution tailored for organizations of all sizes, including businesses, schools, nonprofits, and government agencies. It offers a vast selection of products, competitive pricing, and features designed to streamline purchasing processes. The key features of Amazon Businesses are: first, business-only pricing. It accesses exclusive pricing and quantity discounts on a wide range of products. Second, multi-user accounts. You can create multi-user accounts with customizable approval workflows and purchasing policies to manage team buying. Third, business analytics. Utilize tools to analyze spending patterns, set budgets, and generate detailed reports for informed decision making. Fourth, integration with procurement systems. Seamlessly integrate with existing procurement systems to simplify purchasing and invoicing. Talking about Business Prime membership, for enhanced benefits, organizations can opt for Business Prime, a paid membership offering. Because it is fast and has free shipping, with Prime membership, you can gain insights into spending patterns with advanced analytic tools. You can set preferences to guide buyers toward preferred products and suppliers, ensuring compliance with company policies. You can also benefit from extended payment terms to improve cash flow management. So, this was about what is Amazon Business. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.